Independence Day. Wow, national. Speak loudly, please.
Because Independence Day is a national festival. All people are first Indian, then after Indian. So I like Indian.
Okay, because the other festivals are related to religions, and a Muslim celebrate Eid, Hindu people celebrate Deepavali. So that is a great idea. She like the national festival because all the religious people come together and celebrate it. Okay, what about you? Ma'am?
Favorite festival? My festival is Ramzan. We also fast for 30 days. I make the fasting nights. Because we fast for 30 days. And we which is your favorite festival? All relatives come together.
Which dishes you prepare? Chakli is my favorite, huh? Chakli is my favorite.
We celebrate Diwali by purchasing clothes,
Crackles, we can say that. Okay.
we make so many dishes like laddu, chakli, choda, shankarpali, gulab jamun, and we make make our house decorate
Okay. How do you decorate your house then?
by coloring wall, by hanging some wallpapers, new wallpapers, by hanging toran to our doors,
What are the Toran made up of?
made up of money, flowers, money with
Yes, we can say that. Yes, moti. Okay.
flowers, colorful ribbons.
Color. Okay. That a great idea. Which clothes do you wear? Which type of clothes do you want to wear?
We can wear any clothes,
Many clothes.
sari,
Okay.
dress.
Okay. Zinat ma'am, what is your idea regarding the Eid?
After 1 month fasting, Ramadan we celebrate, and I bought also new things, clothes, sandals, etc.
Yes, Eid is very expensive.
And special foods. I made shirkurma, semia.
Okay. Do you know Shir Khurma, Kiran ma'am?
Yes.
What is Shir Khurma? Can you describe it? Yeah.
Milk and shevoya, dry fruits.
Okay.
They mix.
Okay. You can take out the recipe how to make the Shir Khurma. Write it down. I am coming back to you, and I will ask you the questions about